Introduction. Cell. All living things are made up of cells. A single cell is the smallest unit that shows all signs of life. Definition. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the body. General characteristics of cell. Each cell, 1. Needs nutrition and oxygen. 2. Produces energy for growth, repair, and functions. 3. Eliminates CO and waste products. 4. Maintains internal environment. 5. Responds to harmful invaders like bacteria. 6. Reproduces by division except some like neurons. Tissue. Definition. A group of cells with similar function. 4 primary types. 1. Muscle tissue, skeletal, smooth, cardiac. 2. Nervous tissue, neurons and support cells. 3. Epithelial tissue, squamous, cuboidal, columnar. 4. Connective tissue, proper connective tissue, cartilage, bone, blood. Organ. Definition. A structure made of 2 or more types of tissues, working together. Types. Tubular, hollow, e.g., intestines. Compact parenchymal, e.g., liver, kidney. Examples: brain, heart, lungs, stomach, etc. System. Definition. A group of organs that work together for a specific function. Major body systems. Digestive system, digestion. Excretory system, removes waste. Cardiovascular system, transport. Respiratory system, gas exchange. Reproductive system, reproduction. Endocrine system, growth and regulation. Musculoskeletal system, movement and support. Nervous system, control and coordination. Structure of the cell. Each cell has 1. Cell membrane. 2. Cytoplasm. 3. Nucleus. Cell membrane, also called plasma membrane or plasmalemma. Separates ECF outside and ICF inside. Semi-permeable, allows selective substances to pass. Thickness, 75 to 100 A. Composition of cell membrane. 1. Proteins 55%. 2. Lipids 40%. 3. Carbohydrates 5%. Structure of cell membrane. Unit membrane 3 layers. 1 central lipid layer electron-lucent. 2 protein layers electron-dense. Structural models. 1. Danieli-Davson model 1935 lipid layer sandwiched by protein layers. 2. Unit membrane model 1957 improved structure based on microscopy. 3. Fluid mosaic model 1972 accepted model, proteins float in lipid bilayer like a mosaic. Lipid layers of cell membrane. Lipid layer is fluid and movable. Types of lipids. 1. Phospholipids. Have hydrophilic water-loving heads and hydrophobic water-repelling tails. Arranged in 2 layers, heads face ECF, ICF, tails face each other. 2. Cholesterol, located between phospholipids, maintains membrane stability and structure. Function of lipid layer, allows fat-soluble substances O, CO, alcohol to pass. Blocks water-soluble substances glucose, urea, electrolytes. Protein layers of cell membrane. Electron-dense layers outside the lipid layer, mostly made of glycoproteins. Types of membrane proteins. 1. Integral transmembrane proteins, span across the membrane. Examples: cell adhesion proteins, junction proteins, carrier and channel proteins, hormone receptors, antigens, enzymes. 2. Peripheral proteins, attached to inner or outer surface, not across the membrane. Peripheral proteins. Definition: proteins that are partially attached to the inner or outer surface of the cell membrane. Key point: they do not go through the entire membrane. Attachment: loosely bound to integral proteins or lipid layer, so they can easily detach. Examples: cytoskeleton proteins, some carrier transport proteins, some enzymes. Functions of membrane proteins. 1. Integral proteins, give strength and shape to the cell membrane. 2. Channel proteins, allow substances like glucose and electrolytes to pass. 3. Carrier proteins, help in transporting substances active or passive. 4. Pumps, move ions actively across the membrane. 5. Receptor proteins, receive signals like hormones or neurotransmitters. 6. Enzymes, help in chemical reactions. 7. Antigens, help in immune responses by forming antibodies. 8. Cell adhesion molecules, help in cell-to-cell attachment. Carbohydrates in cell membrane, attached to proteins right-pointing arrow glycoproteins. Attached to lipids right-pointing arrow glycolipids. Form a thin layer called glycocalyx on the outer surface. Functions. 1. Negatively charged, block other negative particles. 2. Help in sticking cells together. 3. Some act as hormone receptors. Functions of cell membrane. 1. Protection, protects cytoplasm and organelles. 2. Selective permeability, allows only some substances to pass. 3. Absorption, absorbs nutrients. 4. Excretion, removes waste from the cell. 5. Gas exchange, oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. 6. Maintains shape and size of the cell. Cytoplasm, jelly-like substance inside the cell, 80% water. Contains cytosol fluid and particles, proteins, lipids, etc. Contains organelles, like small organs of the cell. Zones. 1. Ectoplasm, outer layer under cell membrane. 2. Endoplasm, inner part around the nucleus. Cytoplasmic organelles with membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Structure, a network of tubes and vesicles connecting nucleus to cell membrane. Types. 1. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Has ribosomes on surface, looks rough. Main functions. Protein synthesis, especially secreted proteins like insulin, antibodies. Forms glycoproteins, proteins plus carbohydrates. Helps degrade worn-out organelles, forms autophagosomes for digestion. 2. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. No ribosomes, looks smooth. Main functions. Synthesis of non-proteins, lipids, cholesterol, steroids. Metabolism, has enzymes for various chemical reactions. Calcium storage and metabolism, releases calcium in muscles. Detoxification, breaks down drugs and harmful substances, especially in the liver.